Hi, today we're going to bake vanilla chiffon cake because it's our someone's birthday here. Happy birthday to the one who making video to me this morning. So the ingredients of vanilla chiffon cake is 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and sugar, granulated sugar. Although this sugar is one and a half cup, I less the half cup because I think it's so sweet. So 5 large of eggs. We're gonna separate this one to have a meringue, and also half cup of vegetable oil, half cup of milk, fresh milk, and of course the salt and vanilla, and of course the baking powder. And about the frosting, and I have butter, and then icing sugar, and evaporated milk. We're gonna mix that one after the cake. Now we separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Watch me up. And before that, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, Vil99, the baking tutorial. We have a party tonight anyway. Someone's having birthday today. How old are you? 18?
24.
Wow, too young. Too young. And just because we are making a meringue, we need a tartar cream. The tartar cream, we're gonna mix it with this meringue is only half teaspoon of tartar. So we are going to mix this. Our meringue is done. So we are going to mix the baking powder to the flour, powder, salt, okay. Then I'm gonna bring it here. Now we're gonna mix the egg yolk and the sugar. And of course, the vanilla. Yes. Now we are going to mix with it, just to incorporate all the ingredients inside of the bowl. Here we go. until it's gonna be look fluffy. Look at this. Yellow peel. Yellow colors. So, going to the high speed. Yes. Look at that. Now it's almost done. Then, little. Okay. Then continue mixing. Scrub around the bowl. Yes. Then to mix it. Fold it. Slowly fold it. Now we mix it together. Add the oil. Just don't put it all. Mix it well. Yes. More. Yes. Now we are going to pour the butter here in the pan. Yes. So, see you after 40 minutes. Yes, close it. Look at this. Our cake is done. It's exactly 40 minutes. So we're gonna transfer this cake to the wire rack to stand to be cold. Look at this. Yes. And just we get ready for the frosting later. There we go. We're gonna remove you take off the wax keeper. So we just let it that. We will come back later. For the frosting, guys, is we're gonna make a buttercream frosting for my vanilla chiffon cake. So that's my vanilla chiffon cake. Yes, this one. So I use with this 300 grams of butter, unsalted butter, and 4.5 cups of icing sugar. I mix it already here, and of course a vanilla, and the whipping cream, the heavy whipping cream over there. Whipping cream. So approximately 4 tablespoons of whipping cream to add on your butter cream. So we're going to mix this together. First I'm gonna mix the butter and the icing, and I will add later the vanilla and of course the whipping cream. We're going to mix our buttercream frosting. So I add the vanilla, not that, a little vanilla, you know. Then you are going to add the heavy whipping cream.
A frosting for a birthday cake.
Yes, we're going to frosting the birthday cake of Ate Geraldine. Yes, look at this. With my pretty Davia. So she observing me if how I frost the cake. See something?
I don't really know how this is gonna turn out in the end, so I'm just gonna try my best.
Okay. Because you are going to make it by yourself.
Yes, I'm gonna make by myself, and then later, like maybe my cousin is gonna come, and my mom and my brothers, they're gonna come and say happy birthday.
Yes, to Ate Geraldine. How old she is? Do you know how old she is?
No.
Can you ask her how old she is?
How old are you?
42.
No, you're just kidding.
No, she's 42.
No, you're not turning 42.
She's already 42.
42.
Stop joking.
She's
No, she's
not joking,
42.
she's telling the truth.
Really?
Yeah, no.
How is she turning 42?
She's 42.
You can't. You need decoration, the frosting. I'm pretty sure it's flour.
This is a basket.
Okay. Basket.
Basket design.
Basket design.
Yes.
I
It's
want
gonna
to
be.
make like here, like some blue here, and then.
No, there is a flower in it, baby. Yeah.
This icing is not too sweet.
Yes.
Because my mom, for my birthday, she actually buys cake,
Mm-hmm.
and then the frosting is too sweet. I cannot eat it, but this frosting is actually okay to eat. It's not too sweet.
Oh. So
It's
it's
just
nice,
right.
yeah.
And you can tell my nana how to make this frosting, because I don't know really. I am not professional cook.
See something about it. See something. While Nana's frosting the cake. Go ahead.
Why are you frosting the cake? For what?
To make the cake beautiful and of course presentable. What did you feel if you have a nice cake in front of you during your birthday? On your birthday, I mean.
I'm just gonna eat it.
Yes. And I love the color. You love the color?
It's my favorite color.
Oh, really?
My favorite color are blue, pink, purple, black, and white, and gray.
Oh, really?
Those are my favorite colors.
Your mom like, I don't know, blue?
She likes blue, orange, like that.
Ano tayo yung color?
Yes, I love the color
Is it
with
like
Very nice
pink.
color.
It is like
Yeah, it is a
a basket.
basket. Yeah, it's a
So-
basket wave.
A basket of flowers.
Yes, it is.
Mm.
Because you know, we are promoting our YouTube
Channel.
channel. What is it? Subscribe.
Subscribe to Well99.
Yes, the baking
So if you
tutorial.
watch this video, there's something underneath. When you watch it, it's red. And you need to click it. The bell, you need to click it and turn it gray. And then afterwards, when it's gray, click like the bell into notification. So you can see every video and never miss one.
Yes, you never miss all the video, and you will learn a lot of cakes.
A lot of cake and cooking because I
Cooking,
am
yes.
gonna make cookies
Yes.
in 4. So every Saturday
Yes.
I come in the video. Every
Yeah.
Saturday.
With our pretty princess.
I don't know why sometimes I don't like people calling me pretty princess. I
Why?
don't, just sometimes.
Actually, you are.
Really? What is this?
Habang ginagawa ko.
Papaya?
That's Nana. What's Nana?
What happened, honey? You drink all? You drink all your water, yeah? Okay naman.
So now, my Nana is making flowers for the cake, and then after we're gonna make this cake, and I am gonna do the frosting for this one. For this cake, I'm gonna do the frosting. And this is like basket flower cake design, and I think it's really nice. Since I don't really know what to say in this video, every single one of you who is watching, put in the comment section any questions like that, so I will answer all of them. And then so you will know more about me and my brothers. My brothers is gonna make the cookies with me, because they are not here right now because I finished with my yoga class just now. And I think this cake is really nice. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. Because there is part here. Now I'm gonna keep. And the frosting ran out. You can see, look at this box. It ran out only because of this cake. And the frosting is not too sweet. I really like everything.
Nindot sa tanawon.
I
Oh.
like
Yeah, so nice.
Very nice.
The combinations of the colors, it's so pretty.
They're my favorite combination.
Yeah, really.
Uh-huh.
We're running out of icing.
Yes, so we need to make another one so for me to put icing on this cake. So we're going to put those together. And the icing is all together too. And I think this cake is really nice. Like really nice. Really nice. I am going to sing a Filipino song.
What you gonna sing a Filipino song? Sing it.
Bahay ko.
Oh, bahay ko
Okay,
buhay.
let's go.
Bahay ko kahit munti ang halaman doon ay sari-sari ng kamas at tulong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, kata, patangis, tondo, patulaw, upot, kalabasa, at saka meron pa habanas muskasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya sa kaligid-ligid, ang puno na nikas.
Bravo!
Wiki!
Look at this, honey. Look at that. We have a beautiful cake.
It's like a, kind of like a basket full of flowers.
Yes, a basket.
Wait, what? It doesn't really look like that. I don't know what it looks like because the basket has a handle. And here there's no handle.